Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss Theorem 6.4 SSS Similarity Criterion. Theorem 4. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. As the statement, there are two triangles. Here I took triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In the statement it is given that the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle. So here I will take AB proportional to AB by DE equal AC by DF equal BC by EF. Okay, according to the statement, I take AB by DE equal AC by DF equal BC by EF. Clear? Then here we have to show that the corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. That means we have to show that angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, angle C equal angle F, and hence triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. This theorem is also known as SSS similarity criteria. SSS similarity criteria. So we can start to prove. Okay. Before that we have to write which are given in the statement. So which are given in the statement? There are two triangles. Here I took a triangle ABC and triangle DEF. You can write any name. Okay. And in the statement it is given that the sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other. So here AB by DE equal BC by EF equal AC by DF. Okay, so these two are given. There are two triangles and their sides are proportional to the sides of the other triangle. Okay, then what we have to prove? Next we have to write to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. For that what we have to show? Angle A. Corresponding angles are equal. So angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, and angle C equal angle F. Okay. So these all we have to prove. First we have to prove the corresponding angles are equal. Then we have to, and hence the triangles are similar. Okay. For this also we have to do one construction as the theorem 6.3 and 6.5. That means AAA similarity criteria and SA similarity criteria. In the same way there will be here also there is a construction. What will be the construction? The construction is mark the points P and Q on the side DE and DF respectively such that AB equal DP and AC equal DQ. Okay, so here in the figure we have to mark 2 points P on the side DE, Q on the side DF such that AB equal DP and AC equal DQ and join PQ. So this is P, this is Q, then we have to join the points P and Q. Now these are the figures. Here we joined P and Q. Okay. In the last theorem, that means is AAA similarity criteria, we use BPT or Thales theorem. But here we have to use converse of BPT or converse of Thales theorem. Okay. So here we have AB by DE equal AC by DF. As given, we wrote AB by DE equal BC by EF equal AC by DF. But here we take only these two. Why it is? Because by construction we know AB equal DP, AC equal DQ. So we have to write AB by DE equal AC by DF only. We have to consider this only. Okay. Then we have to rewrite AB with the DP and AC with the DQ. This is the reason. Clear? Then look at the figure now. So in the figure AB equal DP, AC equal DQ, that we that we can mark now. AB equal DP and AC equal DQ. Okay, then we got DP by PE equal DQ by QF. DP by PE equal DQ by QF. So what we can say here? PQ parallel EF by the converse of Thales theorem, or by converse of BPT, we can say PQ parallel EF, because the sides are proportional, so the lines are parallel. So by the converse of PPT, here we will get PQ parallel EF. Then when we consider these two lines PQ parallel EF and the transversal DE, then which are the corresponding angles? These two are the corresponding angles. By the corresponding angles axiom, we will get this angle 1 equal angle E and angle 2 equal angle F. These two angles are equal, these two angles are equal by corresponding angles axiom. First we got a dP by PE and dQ by QF. So the parts are equal, proportional. So we can say these two lines PQ and EF should be parallel because of converse of Thales theorem or converse of BPT. Then by corresponding angles axiom, we will get angle 1 equal angle E and angle 2 equal angle F. So here PQ parallel EF by converse of BPT and angle 1 equal angle E and angle 2 equal angle F by corresponding angles axiom. Okay. Now we have to consider the triangles. Triangle DEF and triangle DPQ. Okay. Then in these two triangles, two angles are equal. So by AA similarity criteria, what we can say? These two triangles are similar. Triangle DEF similar to triangle DPQ. Okay, these two triangles are similar, that we get. Now by the definition of similarity, what we can say? The sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional. So we can say DP by DE equal PQ by what? PQ by EF. Okay. DP by DE equal PQ by EF. Now we have to substitute DP by AB. Okay. Because it is already, we construct like that. So DP we have to rewrite as AB. DE we have to write as the same. PQ we can't rewrite because DQ should be equal to AC. Okay, so this PQ should be remains the PQ by EF itself. So AB by DE. First we already got AB by DE equal BC by EF. That is given case. Okay, this is given. Now we got AB by DE equal PQ by EF. So from these two equations, what we get? PQ by EF equal BC by EF, right? From these two equations, LHS are same, so RHS should be equal. So PQ by EF equal BC by EF. So from this equation, the denominators are same. This is equality symbol, so this numerators are also be same. So PQ equal what? BC. So PQ equal BC. Now when we consider triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, then what we get? AB equal DP, that we construct like that. Then AC equal DQ, that is also by construction. Now we got what? BC equal PQ, that we proved. This is by construction. Okay, first two are by construction, but the last one we proved. So by these three, what we will get? Triangle ABC concurrent to triangle DPQ. By which criteria? SSS concurrence rule. Okay. So now we get a triangle DPQ, similar triangle DEF, and triangle ABC concurrent to triangle DPQ. All the congruent triangles are similar. So we can write triangle ABC similar triangle DPQ. Okay, triangle DPQ. DPQ similar DEF, ABC similar DPQ. So from these two, what we will get? From this 1 and 2, what we will get? We will get triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Okay, so we proved triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. One more thing we have to show, the angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. For that we already got a triangle ABC concurrent to triangle DPQ by SSS rule, right? SSS congruence rule. Rule or criteria. Okay. Then the in congruent triangles, the corresponding angles are equal. So we can say angle A equal angle D. Then angle B equal, we can't say the angle full name, we have to say that we already marked as 1. So angle 1, angle C equal angle 2, that Q. In triangle DPQ, we already marked as angle 2. Okay, so angle A equal D, angle B equal angle 1, angle C equal angle 2. Then we already got angle 1 equal angle E and angle 2 equal angle F, isn't it? We already proved this. Okay, and when we combine these all, then what we will get? Angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E, angle C equal angle F. So angle A equal angle D, angle B equal 1 equal E, so angle B equal angle E. Okay, then angle C equal 2, angle 2 equal F, so angle C equal angle F. So we got what? Corresponding angles are equal and the triangles are similar. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.